cross pattern. Okay. See if I can turn the shaft. No. Trying to get shafted, it won't go. I'm trying to turn the shaft in here by hand. It's really hard to get in there, but we are tight. This is not full tight, but it's full down. Okay, now I gotta try to put the key in there, put the gear on it, and use the motor to turn it over and see if that works. I was hoping it would turn freely, but it did not. Okay, the clip we're going to lay on top of the vise so we don't lose it. Okay, this key has to go down there. Okay, so you see I got the shaft rotated, so I can just put the key straight down in there like that. And then the gear, wherever it ran off to, right here. Let's see, I'm looking for the dullest side out. And this definitely has a bigger chamfer than this side, so this side here is out. I gotta get the slot lined up with that. Hopefully there's room to get that in there. Okay. I'm going to have to hold the key with a screwdriver and try to find the part where the key is on the gear. Gear, it's in the right spot, but it didn't go in. So I have to do a little bit of maneuvering. Alright, what's going on here? I'm spinning the gear all the way around. I got no key. Okay, key should be right about there. There it is. Okay. Gear is now on there. So now we can turn the pump like this. Got a little bit of drag on there, but it freed up slightly once I started doing this, but it's still got some drag on it. It should not have drag on it because we should have clearance, but shoulda, coulda, woulda, right? Okay, now we take the wheel pump drive gear, which is this one. See, it's a lot easier to put that gear on there when this gear is not fighting us. See how this drops right in? When you rotate the crank, it'll drop right on down in there. See how it goes down in there? Okay, so one direction we'll pull the gear off, the other one will keep it on. I'm not sure which one we're doing yet. So let me get up here. Right there, hold it. Ah. I don't feel any drag on it. I can push the gear in and out, so that's good. Now I'm going to go ahead and tighten these down all the way. Okay, rotate it some more. So everything's dry, there's no lube on anything. It's turning nice and freely. Okay, we back up the motor a little bit, which pulls the pinion gear out when you back the motor up slightly. So you can see the gap down there in the pinion gear right here. So I should be able to slide it in like that, and out. See, I'm turning the oil pump as I do this. So if I can move this gear in and out like this by hand, that means the oil pump's turning relatively freely without binding. Hey, watch out for your feet down there. So you hit your toes, it could hurt. Okay, so that has enough drag on there I can't really do it by my finger very well. There we go. It has some drag on it, which means it's close. It's not enough to keep me from running it. So it does have a little bit of drag in there, so we'll have to break in. Now what gear is tight? I don't know. Something's tight. So I'm going to run it through a few times and we'll take it apart and see what the problem is. We can deal with it. Okay. Go right back on. Put a few laps on it. Okay. About the same amount of drag. Slightly more than I like, but ideally you should have a free spin with no clearance. That's ideal. We definitely have something dragging. Not sure what it is, but something's dragging. So we got to figure out what that drag is coming from. Alright, so there you go. Alright, we'll be back.